Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. You can see using the key fob I can open up both sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. It's got a manual rear entry ramp. Very easy to operate. I can operate the entire conversion using only 2 fingers. Look how easy this is to do. I've got a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. Look here, I can take this down using only my index finger. Very easy to do. The ramp is 34 inches wide. I do like this. It's 4 inches wider than the side entry, so if you need a little bit more room on your ramp, rear entry is the way to go. It does taper down to 32 inches where the ramp sets. It's got 8 tie down points, you can see. We'll hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. It's got plenty of cup holders in the rear. Headliner looks to be in great condition. Between those 2 middle seats there's about 21 inches of room. If you need more room, we can put flip base seats in that flip on their side. We can put more narrow seats in. We can take one seat out to make more room. There's no one size fits all, so tell us what you need and we will help build a van to accommodate exactly what you're looking for. Got this real nice center console here, plenty of cup holders in the rear, cup holders up front. This is the GT, this is the top of the line edition of the Caravan. The dash is in great shape. It's got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eye on the road. The digital radio there with the backup camera and navigation. Dual climate control, rear air. I just love that center console and that leather stitching. These are just real nice, real quality vans. You can operate all the power doors and trunk hatch there as well. If you want to turn these off, say you're going to run a cab company, and you want to turn these off and make these manual doors, it's as simple as that. I'll show you how to do that. It does come with a free set of pull-tight tie-downs from Q-Strength, brand new. And when you got everybody secure, come back out. Look, 1 finger, that's all it takes. Latch her back up. Very low cost to maintain. Much better than the power ramps and doors. Those can get extremely expensive. Look here, I can just swing it shut. You can see we got the GT there. So, you know, if you can use this for a handicap cab, slide those shut. You're not waiting on those doors to open and shut all the time. It's got the tinted windows, nice alloy wheels. All the tires on this are good to fair. They're about 5/32 seconds, so they are not brand new, but they still have some tread left on them. They're not completely bald. But the goal of our videos is to show you exactly what you're getting. We're not trying to hide anything from you. Pretty clean van. It's not perfect, but it's been well taken care of. Let me slide this door shut here as well. Shut off the body here. Overall, pretty straight, pretty clean van. The interior, I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of smoke or any unusual odors in this van. Got the leather seats. Both the front seats are power seats. They both work. We have tested them, so it's got power seats in it. There's no cigarette burns, nothing like that going on in here. We always show you the VIN number as well, so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. A lot of people on the internet are doing some crazy things out there. I can't speak for them, I can only speak for us. But it's also got the auto start, a great feature to have, you know, this time of year if you want to keep your van nice and warm. Even if you got a garage. I've got a garage, but that auto start, getting that vehicle nice and warm before you go out to it every morning is wonderful. I'll turn that off there. You can see the current miles, 47,837. When I go to turn the vehicle on, fires that first time every time. See, it's got the navigation there, backup camera. It's got the user's guide down in the glove box there. So, and you notice there's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no dummy lights. So that's great. Got darn near a full tank of gas. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. But before I do that, we've had 3 mechanics look these over. We've tested all the power mirrors, power windows. Just because this is a 2019 doesn't mean everything always works on them. That's why we check them out. I don't ask you to assume that things work. I show you these things work. We've tested all this stuff. We do thorough inspections. We're not just taking things and throwing them on the lot and not inspecting them. A lot of dealers do that. We put time and effort into these to know, you know, if there's any issues with it, we either fix it or let you know about it up front. So let me pop the hood here. Underneath the hood, it has a 3.6 V6 engine from Dodge. No signs of any damage, no signs of any bent metal, you know, no signs of an accident, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. You know, like this is pulled out from a flood. We check these vehicles over very thorough before we buy them. As I crawl on the ground, look underneath the van, you can see it's very clean. No signs of any major rust, no signs of any damage. And the van comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty from Dodge. The conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. And I know you're going to talk to a lot of conversion companies out there, and they're all going to claim their conversion is the best. This is the best warranty in the industry. 3 years, unlimited miles on the conversion. Everyone else is 3 years, 36,000 miles. So when the competition is trying to tell you, oh, we got a better conversion because of this and this and that, and using all these words you've never heard of, ask them, why does Jeremiah's van have a 3-year, unlimited mile warranty on the conversion, and yours only has a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on the conversion if yours is so much better? So just points to ponder. I crawl underneath the van. I want you to see what's going on. That's the number one mistake people make when buying vehicles, used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's 2019. They assume because it's pretty in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them that it's not all rusted out. They assume it runs and drives good. And I'm going to tell you what, if you assume things on vehicles, 80% of the time you're going to be wrong. Demand a detailed video like this. People get burned on the internet every single day. Don't be one of them. Get a video like this, and if they won't make a video for you, then who you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? So let's get it out on the highway so you can... Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles on a test drive, get them out on the highway, give them some gas so you can feel the engine run, hear the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, that we've made sure it's roadworthy, that we're not trying to hide anything. Jumped up to about 70 miles an hour real quick. Good acceleration. I've got the cruise set about 65. Steering wheel's nice and straight. That's exactly what we want. It's not bouncing back and forth. And listen, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. They're all going to tell you they have great service and great prices. First of all, please compare our prices to theirs. Second of all, please compare our rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Look us up on Google. Look at all the nice things people had to say about us. We have 4.8 out of 5 stars. We are excellent on Facebook. We have 5 stars out of 5 stars. On eBay, we have over 600 transactions. Never had a single negative word said about us. So overall, we have a great reputation. And you know, buying a used vehicle is difficult enough. You know, don't deal with shysters. Look at people's ratings. Know who you're dealing with. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you factor in their $500 or $1,000 or $1,500 in administrative and document fees and tag fees. Then you factor in shipping. And next thing you know, the price that they had on the internet jumps to about $3,000 or $4,000 before the vehicle gets to your house. Give it a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So that's exactly what we want. This is not a brand new van, but it's a very clean, very nice van. And I do believe if it's taken care of, it should make a great vehicle for your family or your business for many years to come. And back to comparing us to the competition, we're out making these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. It's almost 2021. Are you really going to buy a $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 mobility van based on a bunch of pictures? Or are you going to get a video like this so you know exactly what you're getting? Also, when you compare us to the competition, keep in mind, I'm the owner of the company. I'm not a used car salesman. Most of those used car salesmen you're going to talk to at the competition, they're not going to be there in a month or two. They're going to chase that commission check at another dealership. They don't care if you get the truth. They don't really care if you get a good deal. All they care about is that commission check. Me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want to make sure you get the honest to God truth. I want to make sure you get a great deal. I want you to repeat business. So if you want to do business with a used car salesman, give the competition a call. I'm sure they would love to talk to you. If you want to do the business with the owner of the company, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Again, my name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. That is my personal cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition if you can have the owner's cell phone number. See if they are committed to customer service and customer satisfaction enough to give you the owner's cell phone number. Let me know how that goes. I'd be interested to find out. Don't forget, we do have financing available. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your phone. We can send one to your email. Let us know what's easiest for you. And also remember, we have free shipping in the lower 48 states. And to see our entire inventory, please check us out, www.mobility316.com. Little tire light just came on. We're going to put some air in these tires. Probably one of the tires got a little bit low from this cold weather. Not a big deal. We'll fix that. So please, give us a call if you ever want to stop in. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you, so give us a call anytime. Set an appointment. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.